Hello guys, welcome to Xrorex. Today we are going to the SNEC Fair in Shanghai 2025. It's almost the biggest fair of the solar and the solar panels, the batteries, the inverters fair in Shanghai for whole years. So you can say today is a raining day and the last day of the fair. There still have so many people coming to the fair. So let us to visit the fair and check what is the trend of the products and what is the future. How about every brand product development situation? Let's go. Okay, we are coming to the Cattle Sports. Cattle as the market leader. Its actions are carried by all kinds of the competitors like EVE, Hisense, and BYD. So let's say what's the latest products of the Cattle and what is the trend of the next year. What's their popular products, no matter the home using storage system or commercial industry system. Okay, let's go. Cattle is famous by his battery cells quality. He's dominated the power batteries in China, almost 50% of the market share. About the solar storage market share also exceeded the 30%. We can say the Cattle is making their own solar storage system for the containers. Let's say what's their latest product. Okay, we can take in the details of the product itself. So the Cattle was providing the battery cells for the pack factory only before, but you know, with the solar storage market rising a lot, the Cattle is making their battery system by themselves too. So advantage is, if the cells have problem, they have the ability to provide the real warranty. The warranty is very complex. Okay, we will discuss about it later, because the warranty for the solar storage system mainly between the 5 years to 10 years now. So how to ensure the provider can provide the real warranty in 10 years? Okay. We can find the sales brand. We can find the sales Now we are standing in the Cattle's latest commercial storage system. The name is Tianheng. Okay, they are using the latest much bigger cells compared to the previous 280 and the 314. It's the 587 ampere hours, so much big cells. Why? We can say the battery pack here is become more and more bigger, okay? So why they need to do this? Because they want to decrease the cost. The bigger battery pack with bigger cells can make the price of the per kilowatt hours down a lot. It's the liquid cooling system. It will be more easy to assembly and more easy to maintain. Once they have the problem, just to replace one pack will be okay. So for the previous solutions, using the 14 kilowatt hours battery pack in this maybe 3 megawatt system, it will be 100 pieces of the battery packs. For the maintenance, it will be more complex. But for this kind of the 104 series bigger battery pack, it will be more easy to maintain because there only have maybe dozens packs only. Now we are coming to the Goshen's both in the fair. Goshen as top 3 batteries manufacturer in China. We can also looking at their products. It's also using the more bigger battery pack now. The one pack is the 261 kilowatt hours. I think it's the 52 series, the big batteries we need to calculate. Okay, let's go to see the cells. The Goshen is also making their own megawatt containers storage system. This is their traditional 280, and this now is a 314 ampere hours battery cells. You can see the circle life increased to the 12,000 times now. It's crazy. 1 year before, it's owning the 8,000 circle times before, but now it's increased to the 12,000 times.
产品的特点是能源结构多种多样，负荷比较大。增加储能可以实现光储协同，提升电网的供电可靠性，在赚取碳积分的同时，实现零碳目标。低碳考核、低碳园区、低碳法则。国轩高科。速度消耗是少了。大家我的充电站跑不上，多少？
Well, they have 2 kinds of cells in one pack.
This is to show you.
Really?
Yes. This is to show this 50%.
Okay, now we are coming to the Hisim booth in the fair. The Hisim also belongs to the top 5 lithium battery cells manufacturer in China market. It's mainly producing the solar storage battery cells for big cells. We can notice that they have a new model is 1,000 exceed 1,000 ampere hour cell. It's very crazy. You can see the pack is more bigger than the Goshen, and the capacity double times. So mainly the Circle Life, no matter the Goshen or Hisim, announced their latest products. Circle Life can achieve the exceed the 10,000 times The Goshen is 12,000, and the Hisense now it's can announced achieve 11,000 times. Just come out from the Hisense booth, and we talked with their sales directors about how to control the qualities, how to ensure the warranties. For the finished products, the storage system carbonate, the standard warranty is 5 years, and we can add the price to achieve the 10 years warranty and the higher price with the 15 years warranty too. They announced the sales, Circle Life can achieve the 11,000 times. But you can say all the market announced the sales of Circle Life much higher than last year. It's very strange, right? I mean, the technology, it's hard to imagine how fast it's developing. So we can imagine that it's real or not. We also ask for how to ensure we can get the faster support once the problem happens. For example, the cell swollen, okay, or the battery packs broken. We need really the fast feedback. And from the most suppliers, they are saying, send back your batteries, we will check, then give you the answers. So it's maybe for several months. I think it's not a good solution for the end user. This is their carbonate of the antenna storage system. We can say they are also using the liquid cooling. Liquid cooling of the big battery packs. I think this is the 104 series. Yes, it's a 104 series. 472 mAh. Liquid cooling. But it's very strange. They didn't announce the warranty period. It's very important too. Similar to Cattle's products. So now we are coming to the EVE both in the fair. So let's see what's the products EVE taken in this fair. EVE sales. And the carbonate storage system too. Okay, EVE also have the bigger capacity in these years.
You also are doing mirrors?
Yes. We can.
Okay, we can say it's a very interesting name of this big sales. Just the Mr. Big. It's very interesting. I think maybe next year we can come with a bigger sales. Maybe the name we can use in the Mr. Bigger. Okay, now we are coming to the REPT battery rail. Both REPT is a traditional battery cells manufacturer with good reputation. They're starting to make the carbonate storage system too. The Chinese name is the liquid battery housing. This video shows how is the structure inside our battery pack. This is their commercial battery system. With the liquid cooling. It's the old technology of last year. Okay, we can say the REPT is still the similar big one battery pack, like the Kettle, like the EVE, and Hisense, Goshen. So big one batteries. So now let's say the REPT battery cells. Okay, we can say the REPT circle life still kept in a reasonable area for 1,000 times. You can say the circle life of the REPT from the 8,000 to this year 10,000 times. And they are also making the big one battery. You can see. Exceed 600 mAh. Wow, their model 3014 Pro can achieve 14,000 circles. Okay, now we are coming to the Grace booth. Gray is a Chinese traditional air conditioner producer. He engaged this game too. Okay, we can say the Grace booth is very big. So we can feel the Grace leaders' confidence and ambitions of the future in the solar storage system. We can also find a trend. The solar storage system also becoming more and more easy to find, just like the TV, just like the air conditioner in our normal people house as normal equipment. So the safety will be the biggest problem. Okay, now we come to the hall of the fair. It's the inverter suppliers, Xrorex, Xrowatt, and the Sangro. So let's see what they are doing now. How is their business in the 2025? Now it's almost 1 o'clock, and the fair will close at the 10 p.m. You can see how many people still there. It's really, really hot fair. Okay. Sangrot. This is their traditional product of the inverters and the home storage system. The solar panels on the top roof. Inverters, charging pile, and the solar system. So Sangrat is making their own storage system for big one, like carbonate too. And say here. There is a trend. More and more players engage in the solar storage batteries. So the competitors make the competitive more and more serious. It's good for the end user and the clients. We can get more quality products and good services in this competition. Coming to the Xrowatt.
到时候会来技术人员。
Robot looks more focused on the inverter and the home storage system only. They have a less batteries products. They are still trying to make their own battery too. This one is an integrated battery, or how to say the storage system, inverter, battery combined together.
Also,
就是各种工况去测试，看能不能出问题。
Always needed a generator. You needed something.
我这一个，因为这个我们讲实话，就是用起来现在也不知道具体的。他们说就是150的、200的这些，让你报100、110的小努力，所以我们按所以150的人会起来。
回头的话，这个没有做过具体的统计，我感觉110的还可以。但是我们现在
This one looks like the last year technology, old products. Not as big as the pedals, Goshen, and Hyson big one batteries. But we can say the liquid cooling is coming to the mainly stream of the production of the products. Okay, we are going to the Deye. Deye is a hybrid inverter leader in the market. They are starting to make the batteries by their own too. And the way visited their batteries and inverter factory in Ningbo a few days before, but we didn't get the authority to take the video of their factory and the battery manufacturer. But it looks very advanced factory. The robot replace the people to make the batteries and make the batteries look more reliable. Good.
Automated testing technologies uphold strict standards for cell quality, while precision welding and intelligent assembly enhance accuracy and efficiency. Durability and reliability are rigorously validated through extensive aging tests. On the intelligent packaging line, the battery completes a magnificent change, ready for being warehoused, shipped, and delivered globally. Comprehensive quality control throughout the entire process ensures the superior quality of the final product. With the MOM system, the entire production process is meticulously recorded, ensuring full traceability and reliability.
Here are Deyes wall-mounted batteries. Appear with more and more close to the inverter. Beautiful. All-in-one. Machine 2.
Explosion venting and fire suppression systems are beneficial to prevent explosion. In a 10-meter complex, the internal battery pack remained intact, showcasing its robust protective capabilities. We prioritize customer service, offering a localized support network to ensure rapid responses and meet client needs. From installation and maintenance to troubleshooting, we provide professional, comprehensive support throughout the entire product lifecycle.
This is the commercial storage system product.
ESS, your trusted partner for safe
This product was popular from the 2023.
and sustainable future.
So we can say the DE Expos is almost 50% products are the batteries. I can understand the DE strategy in the future. Maybe we'll pay more attention to the batteries business too. The storage batteries market, maybe the DE thing, they still have the more place to racing. Now we are going to the K-Star. K-Star is racing fast in last year in Europe. And we come to the SNEC fair last year. It looks same products too. The commercial carbonate. The video is showing how the K-Star to ensure their battery safety. It's a suitable 20 equipment in parallel working. And cloud monitoring. The K-Star has their own charging pile. Please write reviews in our channel, which brand you are prefer.